Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is circulating our community, state, and even nation. And District Health Department number 4 in Alpena has one confirmed case involving a 4-year-old who attends a preschool program. Whooping cough starts as a common cold with a runny nose, fever, cough, and after a couple weeks turns into a rapping cough over and over until air is gone and can last up to 2 months. The health department is recommending everyone to check the status of their immunization.
Anyone in the community right now hopefully will, take a look at their immunization status and see if they're up to date, see if they've had at least one dose with the pertussis vaccine in it.
If you feel at risk and need a booster shot, Schultz says it's best to contact your healthcare provider as soon as possible.